So, check namin yung party room mga pan. Laki.
Just check po yung available Saturday. Just in case.
Yeah,
meron
let's,
yun.
let's
Just check.
Oh.
Pero Sunday na kami.
Sige.
Ano? Paano na? Talaga sa video.
So it's kind of how's everything?
Gawin. Saan ka na?
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. Oh.
ano pala?
May basurahan, sariling entrance ko lang. Kusina oh.
Tapos ito meron pa pala siyang pati.
Oo. Hindi dito.
Paano natin? Just for sure.
For ice, and this is a bit cooler down here, so it's pretty big, right?
Yeah.
It serves the roles private functions. Also, they keep you like bags, and you take out your garbage. Again, it works for most people.
Yeah.
So what else they will provide? Like coffee container? I mean like coffee.
No, we don't provide. This is the way you get it. Basically, you
That's
use
it.
It's yours.
it's like a self-service car wash. You use it,
Yeah.
leave it the same way, and you
Exactly.
go. Right?
Yeah.
So, you give it to the room the same way, and those no issues. That's what we do, right?
Yeah.
So basically, you use it yourself, and you pay. You do everything yourself, and you give it the same way. You give it a deposit on your business. So you pay it. Yeah.
Nice.
That's what it is. But it's a pretty big room.
Yeah.
It's old school, but it's very nice.
Yeah, it's nice actually.
And you can fit legally up to 150 people here because it's
Mhm.
not many people. Not place have that.
So it's the guard that you're paying.
Yeah, guard,
it's
the
not
guard
the
is the-
additional.
the
not
guard
the
is the tricky
additional-
thing, exactly.
Yeah.
The guard is the trick.
The guard is the trick.
Yeah, 57 people need 2 guards, and once you reach over 51, you need 2 guards.
So 51
So,
is too
guards.
so they pay another guard and what else? One
Yeah,
guard,
yeah,
right?
yeah. I mean, technically, if you 50, you could just still say 50, you know?
Yeah.
But if you got 70 people, it's gonna show,
Yeah.
right? If you get 52 people, you can still say 50, you'll get away with it.
So what
But
else
if you
is
get
pay?
70,
Another guard and
Just the guard.
Just the guard, right?
And double the expenses for the guard, right? 'Cause it's the
Yeah.
guard. And I've seen up to 3 guards up there, and that's expensive, but if you get a big function, you can have them. Still cheaper than a lot of other places, right? Listen,
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah, it is actually cheaper than community centers.
Yeah, it is. Makes sense. Actually, a little different, a little off.
Ayos na.
Pwede na niyo rin dali ang buong pamilya niya. Tatawagan ko na siya. Maya-maya.
Sama niya na nitong si James.
Tatawagan ko na si Beto.
So yun mga par, dito na kami. Kain muna kami dito. Ito, Chaco.
Oh, kaya man.
Dapat may bodyguard ako.
O kami dito.
Oo, pwede yan. Mawala yung kayamanan mo eh.
Yung laman ng ATM.
Kung malala, hindi mo nila alam eh. Sa may ATM pwede na yan. Chaco. Ayan o, Chaco. Oh.
Ano? Combo tayo all you can eat?
Ano ba to? Ayan o, Chaco. Par. Barbecue plus sushi. Dami rin dito oh. Pasok. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, what would you like?
Just the regular
Wow.
Lunch? This one?
all you can eat, yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, not busy.
It's only us.
We open at 12.
You open at 12.
Well, Mondays always slow.
Oh, I thought that you open at 11:30.
We were. I think that
Luwag.
nobody come in and do one. So I must have
Luwag no?
boss this side. Boss this side you. So
You're the boss. You're the boss.
yeah.
Saan yung patay dito?
With this business, I don't want to be the boss.
Yeah.
So I can go. This very close. With this economy, we don't want to be the boss, right? I'll give you more second. That's the QR code. You should just scan the QR code and choose special late night and lunch menu, which is the bottom of the three choices. The last one, and you scan and choose the last one.
Oh, okay.
The last one.
The bottom one, yeah. And then you order from there. It's okay for everyone to scan and look, but we prefer one person per table to place the order.
Okay.
To avoid double ordering.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much. In the meantime, I'm going to turn on the grill. Careful.
Okay. Ayan na. Ano na, init ah.
Katon.
Bakit ayaw?
May bar pa sila rito mo. Parang.
Pwede daw tayo mag-scan lang.
Sliced beef, boneless ribs, rice, miso soup.
Can we have samjang?
Yes. Kimchi. Beef.
Alam na ito lahat. Init naman yan, nasa yan. Oh. Wala lang. Spoon? Hindi, wala. Ito, spoon. Ano, spoon mo yung sasa. Hindi yan, oh.
Spoon pa dyan? Spoon?
Ito, beef to, no, beef. Thank you.
Hindi ko lang kinito.
Pang dessert lang. Ano nga, ano nga? Chocolate?
Hindi ko ang salak ko. Kasi may ice cream ko doon. Ube, saka green tea.
For lunch special.
Yun, no? Busog.
Okay na, nakabayad kasi.
Oo.
Hindi na magugas ang pinggan.
Sige.
Tumatayo ako.
Yun, ito kami. Chaco to mga ba? Ano ba yun? Plastic, sir? Kaya pala, ano? Kaya pala healthy yung ano eh. Apo, double digit. Ayan, Chaco. Uwi na kami mga par. Usog. Tulukan yung ano namin. Hingal eh.
Promote ko yung search yan.
Ha?
Chaco.
Kaya nga eh.
Luis, DBC. Parang nirenta na at yung restaurant.
Dito rin, malapit to sa ano mga par, Cebu City. Ayan o, Cebu City yan eh. Oh. Ito banda, Chaco. Uy. Yan, dyan lang yung Chaco.
Biling gantong ice cream na doon.
Grabe, busog eh.
Baka ano, sariling gawa nila.
Sino?
Eh,
Chapman.
Kasi Sundays yun, hindi ice cream.
Hmm. Okay.
Yan, tama. Yan yung party room. Dito. Saan? Hindi. Yan ba o yung doon banda? Hindi ito.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi yan. Unahan pa.
Baka dito.
Banda roon.
Ayun, yun yan. Ay,
Ito
hindi.
swimming pool eh. Diba? Dito.
Ito yata. Ito. Ay,
Yan o.
Tumatawag sa'yo.
Yan.
ba?
Ay,
Banda roon. Ito yung room. Party room sa taas eh.
Gym to gym. Ayun pa.
Baka yun.
baka ito.
Baka yan.
Eh, tama yung park.
Ay, ito. Yun. Ayun. Party room. Oh.
Oh, yun. Oo. So, pwede nila sila magbaba dito.
Oo. Okay.
Okay.
Silipin nga natin. Silipin ko. Thank you. Sir. Salamat.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Silipin ko nga dito. Ito yun eh. Dito, may.